Hey, what's going on, all you magnifiers out there? This is Doug from Magnify. I want to show you exactly how easy it is to send a video email utilizing Magnify Plus, which drops the week of December the 15th, and a video marketing masterclass course on how to leverage video 2020 for free with yours truly. Let's get right into that email. So, super simple. I teed everything out for you so we can fly through it. So, you want to send a video email to somebody, you come to step one, you pop in their first name, last name, and email. Then you come to step two, you put that subject line in, write them a short little note, right? Don't make it long, make it short. Let the video do all that heavy lifting, right? Let the video do all of that heavy lifting. You record that video, you have up to 90 seconds to record a video email. You don't want to record over 90 seconds, but the system won't even allow you to do it because nobody's going to watch it, right? We want people to actually watch and engage with that video, because unless your voice is Morgan Freeman, you are not going to be anybody to watch a video email past 90 seconds. Be short, sweet, to the point, right? Then you come down to here and you can pick a thumbnail image. Magnify will pull up 5 images automatically, but if you don't like any of those, you can upload your own custom image. I uploaded my own custom image. I utilize Photo Booth on my Mac and just took a picture of me holding up a sign that says, "Thank you, Bob." Right? Super simple, super easy, super engaging. So if I want to see what that page looks like after I click Save for Later, right? Because if you can save this for later, you can send this anytime you want to, right? But let's preview that page because I want you to see what that landing page actually looks like. Or you know what? Forget it. Let's come on to the call to action area. So each landing page has a call to action button, has a reply back and a call to action. So in this instance, I asked him to connect with me on LinkedIn after we met for coffee, right? So I popped my LinkedIn URL in there and I popped in my own customized call to action text. So I put click to connect. So I'm going to step 3. I'm going to click send video email. I'm going to show you exactly what that video email looks like. Let me refresh my email here. And there it is already. So let me pull this over so you guys can see it. There it is. Here's what it looks like, right? 2 reply tos from me. So there's your logo. Your business logo will be right here. Hey, there's that little note. And there is that text. So I click that link, and here's where I go to. Shut off my email here. So here's this landing page, right? So you can watch that video. Hey, Bob, thanks so much for meeting with me today. I really appreciate you taking the time to look at my business and decide if it was a fit for you. I'm glad you decided it was, right? So watch. What I want to do is make sure you fill out that form. We have a meeting scheduled for next week. And hey, let's connect up with LinkedIn. Look below, over right there, right? There's a button. Click connect to connect with me on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching the video. So that's the video email functionality. Isn't that awesome? So Bob can reply back. He clicks this link to connect with me on LinkedIn, and boom, there's my LinkedIn profile, right? But if you want to put here, hey, let's reschedule a time, click my Calendly link or my Microsoft Calendar link, whatever you want to, you can put in this customized call to action link. So isn't that awesome? So that's video email in a nutshell. And I'm going to show you something else that's really awesome as well, right?
Hey, Bob, thanks so much for being with me today.
We opened it up and we played it. Guess what? We give you those statistics. If you click on my videos and you find that video email, if you look here, here's the one that I just sent. So there it is, guys. So sent it, 1 play, and then it got opened. So you know the exact moment that it got opened and how many times it got played. Isn't that awesome? If you want to be part of Magnify Plus, drops the week of December the 15th. It's just $37 a month for unlimited video email, unlimited branded video content, case study videos, and video testimonials. Capture video testimonials from your happy client anywhere on the planet. Get a fully produced video testimonial ready to go. Thanks so much for watching the video.